Hey ladies, yes, it's Wednesday. I am a day early. You guys know I check in on Thursdays at 6 a.m. every week when the season is in season. Anywho, since it is Thanksgiving week, happy Thanksgiving. I do want to remind you that season 2, episodes 1, 2, 3, and 4 are available for you to catch up on. Yes, season 2, episode 1, Soft Life is Biblical. Okay, no one is applauding your exhaustion. And I explain in that episode how comforting it is to know that you living a soft life without all the toil, without all the drama, with a peace of mind, glowing and growing with no worries and anxiety is all in the Bible. Girl, yes. Don't you know our King of Kings wants you to live a very soft and poised life? Abundantly, comfortably, less stress, and like Mary J. Blige says, no more drama. So be sure to catch up on that episode. And then in episode 2, we cover why they are jealous of you and why you need to stay away from envious people. They are very, very dangerous. And I also put you on to my life story of how my ex-college roommate tried to whack me off. So definitely check that out and find out why you need to stay away from jealous people and why they are so envious and how it is so dangerous to be around people like that. Girl, you got to learn how to put distance in between them and you ASAP. All right. And then in episode 3, we cover 5 things that instantly help you succeed that you should know. So these are life lessons that you don't want to learn late. Some people have learned late, but if you learn these 5 things, girl, you're going to be good to go. All right. You're going to be a shining rock star. So definitely check out episode 3. And then finally in episode 4, I explain why you should never, ever date a broke man. There is 100% facts to back what I have to say up. So definitely never date a brokey. I really help you understand and how it's against your religion, okay? And why you shouldn't date broke men. Danger alert. It is against the law, girl. Get you a man with places to go and money in his pocket with a career and a business mindset and a vision. All right. Because it's Thanksgiving week, with Thanksgiving being on the 27th this year, I have a special gift for you because I am so thankful and grateful for you being here, for you showing up, listening to these episodes, you following and subscribing to the channel. I love you so much for that. So with that being said, I want to give you commandment number 27 because Thanksgiving in the US falls on the 27th this year, the 27th commandment in my new book, The 100 Commandments of a Black Queen, by yours truly, Livy Live. Commandment 27 says, take heed, I walk in greatness. Every step this mahogany mogul takes is on the path of success. I break ceilings in designer heels. I break ceilings in sneakers. I break ceilings in slippers. I break norms and set trends. They follow my strut. She's aligned and unstoppable. Ascend, elevating to a higher level. Yeah, girl, that's you. Commandment 27, a mahogany mogul. Time to step into your queenness and walk in your queendom. It's time to reign. Wear your crown. Infuse your day with these affirmations, crowning your confidence one declaration at a time. Pick up my book, The 100 Commandments of a Black Queen, sold everywhere books are sold. Thank you for making it a 5-star book, and thank you for leaving it a glowing review. I love you for that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And again, happy Thanksgiving. We have so much to be thankful for. If you're living, breathing, and you have all of your faculties, amen. Thank the Lord. You have so much to be grateful for. Ladies, take care, and we'll be back next week.